work-from-home opportunities have grown in popularity. According to a recent study conducted by FlexJobs and Global Workplace Analytics, remote work is 115% more common. As such, it's unsurprising that the 1.8 million Americans who left their jobs between 2005 and 2017 cited increased flexibility, increased satisfaction, and better pay as primary reasons for their decision to work from home. If you are self-motivated and consider yourself to be an achiever, a work-from-home career could be an excellent fit for you. Work-from-home opportunities range from customer service representatives and social media managers to travel agents and transcriptionists. Working for someone else is one of the simplest ways to begin working from home, and there are a variety of legitimate occupations to consider. Before we begin, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar content. 1. Transcriptionist. Transcriptionists convert audio and video files to written text. While it can seem straightforward, this work takes a certain degree of ability. You'll need to be proficient at typing quickly and accurately. Certain transcriptionists also employ specialized devices, such as a foot pedal, to initiate and terminate audio recordings. Nonetheless, there are a plethora of interesting resources for remote transcription jobs. If you're a novice, your best bet is to register with transcription work sites such as Rev or Scribby to find paid jobs that you can do as a contractor. You may also sell your services on Fiverr or pitch your services to businesses and entrepreneurs. For instance, if you enjoy a particular podcast, check to see if it requires transcription services. 2. Freelance proofreader. If you have an eye for grammar, an ability to spot typos, and the ability to correct egregious misspellings, proofreading might be a good fit for you. You'll work for several clients as a freelance proofreader, assisting them in identifying mistakes in their written and printed materials. 3. Online teacher. Schools and other educational institutions are increasingly recognizing the value and significance of online education. Whether or not you are a certified teacher, you will earn money teaching online classes. Demand for online education solutions is increasing as a complement to traditional classroom education or, in some cases, as a substitute entirely. The most in-demand subjects are English, science, and mathematics. Typically, classes are delivered via Skype, Zoom, or pre-recorded sessions. K-12 is one choice for online education. One advantage of working for the corporation is that you will almost certainly receive benefits such as health care, retirement plans, and compensated time off. Because you will be working with children, you must also go through the standard teacher hiring process, background check, reference check, and interview. If you want to supplement your income from teaching, or if you are not a licensed teacher, you can build courses on sites such as OutSchool. Through these courses, you gain greater versatility in terms of prices, hours, and subjects taught. Consider tutoring by education first, or VIPKit if you're looking for a more versatile teaching role. The service is extremely adaptable. You set your hours and are not responsible for lesson planning. They supply lesson materials and connect with parents. All you need is a laptop and a willingness to assist in the education of children. 4. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, also known as VAs, are employed by company owners to assist them with online administrative tasks. They assist with activities such as email management, schedule management, social media management, call transcription, and customer service management. You will expedite your virtual assistant job quest by enrolling in a training class that teaches you the necessary skills to work as a virtual assistant. To find your first customers, you can contact local small business owners or search online marketplaces such as Upwork and Freelancer. Additionally, you should apply to work for hourly paid virtual assistant firms. 5. Freelance writer. Freelance writers are individuals hired to write material for websites, newspapers, magazines, journals by other companies. If you're a good writer but don't want to run your blog or website, consider contracting out your writing. Assemble a portfolio of writing samples to demonstrate your abilities to prospective clients. If you're new to freelancing and have a profile, you can highlight your original blog content before you have client work to reveal. 6. Dog walker. If you adore animals or wish you could have one but are unable to earn money spending time with others by acting as a dog walker or pet sitter, you can either start your own company or join Rover, which links pet owners with nearby dog walkers and pet sitters. You will build your profile on the web as well as set your rates and availability. Directly from the app, you can chat with prospective clients and book paid gigs. Bear in mind that Rover charges a 20% service fee that is deducted from your profits, so keep this in mind when setting your fees. 7. Social Media Manager. If you're proficient with several social media channels, you can leverage your expertise to create and schedule updates, run ads, manage private messages, and track online communities as a work-from-home job. Content creation and engagement with fans and consumers are time-consuming tasks that many companies lack the resources to handle in-house. As a consequence, they tend to outsource the work to a third-party provider. While some businesses employ full-time, in-house social media managers, it is often more cost-effective to recruit a part-time remote employee for this position. This creates opportunities for work-at-home freelancers. If you have a preference for one platform over the others, devote your efforts to being an expert in that field so that you can provide personalized service. 8. Surveys. The majority of businesses seek to gain a better understanding of their prospective customers to develop goods and target their audience more effectively. To do this, websites compensate users for completing online surveys. Although it is not technically a career, you can earn money by participating in surveys, and you do not need any experience. There are several survey and activity forms to complete. For instance, in addition to conducting regular surveys, branded surveys compensate users for responding to daily polls, engaging in competitions, referring friends, and redeeming offers found on their social media profiles. When you sign up, you'll receive the first 100 points. Once you've accumulated 1,000 points, you can cash out in the form of gift cards, PayPal Cash, or direct deposit. Conclusion. The growth of the internet has resulted in the creation of opportunities that did not exist just a few years ago. Demand for remote jobs, especially in the technology sector, has resulted in the largest voluntary exit from the in-person workforce in nearly 2 decades. If you're not a fan of driving to work or are looking for a part-time career, there are plenty of valid work-from-home opportunities available.